In this video, we will show you how to identify new leads from social channels using the Next Principles social marketing automation solution. Click on Trackers within the Identify menu option. A tracker is a collection of different criteria that you define to identify net new leads from social conversations. You can create as many trackers as you like by clicking on the Create New button. Enter a name for the tracker. Next, you can define the time period during which this tracker will actively look for new leads. You can define any end date in the future. Since we are looking for new leads with this tracker, let the objective remain with its default value. Clicking on Next will take you to a screen where you can select the scoring template for this tracker. You need to have defined at least one template before creating a tracker. When you select a template, the first rule that's defined in each of the template sections is shown. You can click on Show All Rules to expand the view. Clicking on Next takes you to a screen where you can define the search criteria for the new leads. Enter the topics or keywords you want to search for. If you are entering a single word, press Enter after the word to mark it as a filter. If you are entering a phrase, enclose it in double quotes. If you want to enter a combination of two or more words, just separate the words with a space and press Enter when you are done with the combination. You can create modifier lists under Utilities and use them here for frequently used keywords. You can also define exclusion keywords to filter out conversations. You can then define the location that you want to restrict the search to. Remember that users are not very good at maintaining their locations within their social profiles, so use this field only if you are very sure about the location you want to restrict the search to. Select the language of the social conversations, and finally, you can also define whether you want to restrict the search to only humans, only corporates, or both. One last point. When you try to hit Save here, you see that the keywords are too broad, so you need to narrow the keywords in order to ensure that the search brings back meaningful results. Once you edit the keywords, you can save the tracker and see it now on the list of trackers. That brings us to the end of the demo on how to set up a tracker to identify new leads. Thank you for your time.